Would you like to know what I'm going to do with these papers that I made on my jelly plate? Well, if you're interested, why not carry on watching and all will be revealed. Hello everybody. Well, these are some of the papers that I did recently. I filmed what I did, so what I'll do is to put the details of where you can find that video in the comments and description below. Here is my art journal book, and as you can see I have been adding to it. These are some squares that I've put together using other pieces of textured paper that I made on my jelly plate. And again, you can find these videos and hopefully I'll find the link and add it to the description below. So what I thought today was I'd utilise some of these papers and I'd do a quick video showing you what I did. So sit back, get a beverage of your choice and let's get started. So first of all, I've got to decide which ones I'm going to use and which ones actually stand out and appeal to me. I'm looking for sort of some areas that are very light, some kind of medium range of value, and obviously some dark areas as well. So let's go with those. Put those over there, some really light areas and that. So put those to one side. Now I've got to decide what I'm going to do in my book. Do I do something like this, which is a kind of a full page, ripping up and cutting and sticking down, or do I do some like this, which is the grid fashion? So I'll have a think about that, and then once I've decided I'll come back to you. So I've decided on a rectangular shape, and I've used a ruler and pencil just to map that out. And so now I'm going to decide which papers I'm going to use, and I think I'm going to go with straight lines rather than to rip the papers and have raw wavy edges. So I'll have a go at producing something, and I'll put a little bit of music on so you don't have to hear me humming and hawing is what I'm going to do next. So I tried various different ways of putting these papers down, and I think I've decided on this format now. So I'll start to stick them down. Just going to use a glue stick because it's easier to use, and this is just going to be my book, so it's not going to be needing to be archival. So I shall get on and do that. So I think I've finished with the base, the background layer, and I think I'm going to start to punch some holes in. I do like to have circles in my collage. I've sort of tried to keep circles going here, but I'm going to punch some holes. I've got a couple of hole punches here, and so I'll decide what I'm going to put where, and once I've done that, again, I'll come back to you. Please. I like these half moon shapes. I always think that they look quite nice. So adding these few little bits, I think I've finished now. So that's that, and I might even carry on and do some grids like this page and this page. So I hope you enjoyed that. Whoops. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Thanks for watching.